Cookie baby.
What?
Yeah.
Cookie baby.
Okay guys, so Isaac is chopping up all our greens for dinner tonight. We are having an African peanut curry, and I just asked him to chop it up so I could make it for you guys. But look at all this basil. We're going to plant half of it.
Maybe a quarter.
A quarter of it in our garden, and probably
I'm going to make a pesto out of it.
Yeah, Isaac's going to make a pesto. We also have some sprigs of rosemary, which we are going to plant, mint, and more mint.
Today's video is in collaboration with Kristen Linton, and she is a mum of 2 beautiful boys. She also does lots of life hacks and mummy videos, so definitely check out her video down below. She'll be doing a cook and clean with me as well, and she definitely has a very similar channel to mine. She takes a minimalistic approach, which I absolutely love. And yeah, with all that said, give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and let's get into it.
Place a large pot on the stove and add some olive oil to it. Then add your diced onions and saute until they are brown. Add some garlic. I used 2 teaspoons. I would use more, but I'm all out. I then added the sweet potatoes and cooked them until they were a slightly translucent color. Then I added all my spices in. So I had nutmeg, chipotle, and cinnamon. Once your spices are added, add your tomato paste. This is 170 grams worth. And then I added half a cup of crunchy peanut butter. Now this is the key ingredient, guys, so don't forget about this. And if you like, definitely add extra. Mix that all together, and if you need to, add a little bit of water like I did. Once that is all mixed, add 2 liters of veggie stock and let that simmer for around 45 minutes or until you have your desired thickness.
Okay guys, now that we have the curry on, sorry, I should rephrase this. The stew, and no, it's a stew. The stew on the stove, it's gonna take about 20 to 45 minutes depending how much liquid you put in. Me, I just guess things, so we'll work it out when we reach that point. But yes, it's gonna take a bit of time to like thicken up, boil the gist. Isaac's going to clean up all his little herb garden over here, and I'm gonna get into cleaning the lounge room, and then I'm going to deep clean the kitchen.
our dog eating area, so I'm going to be thoroughly doing the skirting boards, wiping down the surface area around it, and giving the dog bowl and mat a good clean because it is well overdue. In the kitchen, I am thoroughly cleaning the stainless steel sink with bicarb soda. This is the best way to make it look brand new and shiny. I'm just scrubbing it down with a little bit of water and my dish brush, and it just comes up amazing, guys. Now, if you do eat meat in your household, I would definitely recommend using a separate brush, but because we are plant-based over here, we're pretty lenient.
Remember the time we were standing on the rooftop.
Alright guys, after all that hard cleaning, I'm going to finish off the stew by adding some silver beet. Isaac pre-chopped this up already, and then I'm just going to add the lid back on and let that kind of steam those silver beets up and be ready to eat. Okay guys, the African stew is all finished and it is now almost 9 o'clock, but that is okay. Me and Isaac are just having some us time and we're going to serve this baby up. Probably make it with a bit of bread. It actually looks really good. This is my first time making it. I did follow a recipe, so I will link that in the description box down below. Alright guys, well I really hope you enjoyed this cook and clean with me. It was really yummy food, guys, so make sure you try out that recipe. It's all vegan.
It's still summer. That's how yummy it was.
It's all vegan, and I will link it in the description box down below. And check out Kristen Linton's channel because she is doing a cook and clean with me as well. I will also link that down below, and you will love her, guys. Just take my word for it. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and with all that said, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.